Oh, you missed your flight. Seeing that look on your face almost makes the past year worthwhile. The key word being almost.
What are you doing here, Mason? We had a deal.
Yes, we did. And I was waiting patiently, typing away on my magnum opus, The Secret Origin of Emily Thorne. So imagine my surprise when I caught your heartfelt performance announcing to all the world that very same story. My story.
I had no choice. Everything changed.
Yes, everything but you. Which I suppose is just now starting to become apparent, standing there, alone on the tarmac. Realizing that while you hid behind your mission of revenge, everyone else around you evolved. Did you really think they'd wait forever, sacrificing everything and getting nothing in return? Did you honestly believe that you'd get your happily ever after so many lies, to so many different people, until all you had left were enemies? Like the little pyromaniac that you are, you started a fire and convinced yourself that you could contain it. But I know your dirty little secret. You can't exist without revenge. The endless cycle of hate is your addiction. And like all tales of compulsion, this will end the same way. First, you will crash. And then, you will burn.